Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, y'all. I know it's been a while. You know what I'm saying? I forgot I had this channel. You feel me? I did. But today we're gonna do an unboxing of the title down below. See it right? Okay, that's what we're doing today. So let's get right into it. So I initially chose the blue because the blue is very sexy. Don't get me wrong, it's very sexy and I really enjoy seeing that blue. But I ended up getting the gold, and I'm glad that I did because once she pulled it out the box, baby, I almost fell out. I almost fainted. The reflection of the gold, and it just took me. But I ended up getting the 128 gigabyte version. So we're gonna jump right in and let y'all see like the box. Look at that design on the box. The box alone had me. You feel me? And some of y'all might want to see this, so I'm gonna let y'all see this. This is the box. Jumping right into the box. Bam! You'll see the iPhone. Now, what comes in the box? I'm gonna show you the inside first. What comes in the box is the actual cord that does not include a brick. It has the, iPhone charger in to Type-C. I was really hoping to see that when they came out with this, that it had Type-C on the iPhone altogether, because I really like the Type-C better, much better. I'm a little bummed about the fact that there's no brick to plug into the wall, but I'm not that bummed because I don't really use the cord when I actually charge. I usually use the wireless charging station, so it don't really bother me. But if I get into like a pickle, I'm in somebody else's car or something like that, or I'm on the road, I will grab it and charge it real quick. But outside of that, I'm on the wireless charging kick, so that's what I do. So I'm not really upset, but I really feel like they should have included it in it either way, whether you use it or not, because you are paying a lot of money for this phone, and you should get everything that it comes with. You shouldn't have to pay no separate fees or nothing like that. But anyway, outside of that, that comes in, the regular little booklet with the stickers and the little paper, and that concludes the box. I chose this gold. I'm glad I did. I don't even know if this camera gonna give it any justice. It is very nice finish, and I really like the design altogether. So it's the buttons are set up how they normally set up. They're in the same position, nothing different with that. It's really just the design, the boxy design and the colors of it. I really got this because, I wanted to be on the 5G wagon. I wanted to see what that 5G life was about. So that's why I got it. And I'm very satisfied. I'm happy that I did. Coming from 11 Pro Max, I'm not expecting a whole lot of a difference, but the 5G alone, that's what I wanted. So, yeah. Jumping in, it come with the usual stuff. Nothing snazzy, nothing different, If you're already on the updated version, you already know what it looks like and things like that. Pulling it down, same thing. Nothing different, nothing snazzy. I will show y'all like the camera. I just really want to let y'all see the snappiness of it. Where's the camera? I can't see. Looking through this lens, I'm kind of blinded. Alright, the camera. Y'all ain't gonna get that much of a, camera's looking good, looking real good, really. Bam, hey. I don't know if I'm looking that good, but the camera looking good. I'm satisfied with it. I'm seeing very snappy. It's on this job. I don't know what else y'all would want to see, it's just really basic. But if you do have any comments, concerns, questions, or something that you need to know, and you need some help, just let me know. I'll get back with y'all. But this concludes this unboxing. I'm very satisfied customer right now. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.